How can you get your child to eat at mealtime? In this short video, I'm going to give you an easy 4-step plan to help your child be excited about mealtimes. Hi, I'm Holly McLean, the Mommy Answer Lady, and I'm all about helping parents stop struggling with children's bad behavior and showing them how to grow their relationship at the same time. If that interests you, please subscribe. So, how can you get your child to want to eat at mealtime? First, be sure to schedule meals and snacks at regular intervals throughout the day. And second, remember snacks are not meals and need to be small, like one peanut butter cracker sandwich or 3 or 4 slices of an apple for a young child. You want them to be hungry when mealtime arrives. So here's the 4-step plan to get your child excited about mealtime. Use the 4 P's method. The 4 P's are plan, prepare, present, and participate. So let's talk about plan. Have your child sit down and help you plan out the menus for the week. For very young children, it's best to make some picture cards of different foods and put them in a file sorted by the food groups. Then give them 2 options from each category to make a meal plan for each meal. For instance, let them choose from green beans or peas for the veggie. Choose one protein, say chicken or pork chops. One option of starch, potatoes or rice. Go through each category that you want to include in each meal and have them make choices. Then use those choices for the weekly menu plan. Remember, giving a young child 2 options that are both acceptable to you is the best way to have them learn to make good choices and still be within your own guidelines. At the planning, this is the time to put in new foods. Let them see the picture of the new food and describe the benefits of it. What part of the body does it help the most? For instance, if you were talking about milk, you would tell them how it helps build strong, healthy bones and teeth. So do that with the new food. Prepare. Have your child go to the store with you and place the items in the cart as you shop for the meals they helped to plan. The more actively involved they are with each step of the process, the more successful you will be in getting them on board with the meals. So, have them place the items on the counter at checkout or scan them for self-checkout. If self-checkout is available, young children love that, absolutely. Have them help you put the groceries away when you get home. Then, when it's time to fix the meal, have them get out the ingredients, chop, stir, and do everything possible to be a part of the activity in preparing the food. There is a link in the description below where you can find some great helps for children being a part of the food preparations. Present. Help them figure out fun ways to present the food. For instance, add garnishes or decorate the food in colorful ways that make it appear as a picture or something like animals or scenery. Let them sprinkle toasted almonds on the top of the veggies or grated cheese to the top of the main entree. Be sure and let them use their imagination in figuring out how to present the food in a creative way. Then have them serve the food to you and the family by bringing it to the table or arranging the table before everyone comes to sit down. Start them doing this as young as possible. I'm talking 2 or 3 years old. Participate. Now that your child has been a part of all this, they will be excited to try the foods they have planned, prepared, and presented. Let them try the food and tell you what they think about it. But keep to the rule, 1 bite of everything to get more of anything. Let them try the foods and choose what they would like to have more of. If you don't know about that rule, check out the other video on this channel about picky eaters. There's a lot more information about some rules for ending mealtime battles, how to handle tantrums, and how to build a relationship of trust with your young child. Parents, you can do this. If you want to know more about how to train your young child to behave, please subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.